Please stop hurting your soul. Please. Because that's the only thing that you have carried in this body, and that's the only thing that you will take back. So stop hurting your soul. Hello, beautiful souls. This is Bithika. Welcome to my channel, Divine Healing. Today, I'm going to give you some insight about a topic which can actually blow your mind. And I believe after watching this video, you will take a big step in your life, which is stop hurting your soul. That is the only spark that has kept you alive. That is the only spark for which you are feeling happy, joy, these achievements, blah, blah, blah. So it is your responsibility to take care of that. And you have a big responsibility. Trust me, it's not just doing that. You have big responsibilities. The soul that you have carried inside you has a purpose here. The soul has a purpose. The soul has imprints. The soul has a lot of wounds. The soul has a lot of sadness. A lot of things it has carried, ages after ages. Your responsibility is to take care of it. But in spite of taking care of it, most of the time, you know what we do? We take a small blade in our hand, like this, a small blade, and जैसे हाथ में ऐसे नस काटते हैं ना, हम अपनी सोल को ऐसे चीरते हैं, ऐसे ऐसे करके. हर दिन कुछ ना कुछ ऐसे कर लेते हैं जिससे हम इसको ऐसे करके चीर देते हैं, और एक ऐसे ब्लेड मारने जैसा वूंड इसमें हम भर देते हैं. कैसे? क्या करते हो? हम सब करते हैं. तुम करते हो, मैं करती थी, अब मैं बहुत ट्राई करती हूँ कि मैं ना करूँ. ये जो तुम गुस्सा करते हो ना किसी पे, ये जो तुम जेलस होते हो, ये जो तुम लोगों को क्रिटिसाइज करते हो, ये जो तुम अपनी लाइफ में हर चीज को ब्लेम करते हो, ये जो तुम डरते हो, ये जो तुम अपनी जिंदगी को खराब समझते हो, हर एक नेगेटिव इमोशंस जो तुम जनरेट करते हो हर दिन, एक रिप होता है ब्लेड का. चीरते हैं ना ब्लेड से, लाइक दैट यू डू इट टू योर सोल. Every criticism that you do to somebody else is a ripping of your own soul. Every time you get anger, every time you get angry on somebody, every time you use a bad language on somebody, every time you judge somebody critically, negatively, you are ripping your own soul. Everything is getting recorded. It's like a chip, you know, whatever you do, it gets recorded. And this, when you get angry, jealous, judgmental, it creates an energy, right? A negative energy that you create in you. गुस्सा आ रहा है, negative energy. एक energy create हो रहा है. Negative, positive बाद में देखते हैं. ये energy को कहाँ जाता है energy? कुछ तो तुम emit कर देते हो, लेकिन जहाँ से emit करते हो, वहाँ पे एक blade लेके चीर देते हो अपने soul को. तो समझ रहे हो कि नेगेटिव इमोशंस या फिर लो वाइब्रेशंस कितना खतरनाक है. सिर्फ तुम्हारी बॉडी के लिए नहीं, तुम्हारी चेहरे के लिए नहीं, कैरेक्टर के लिए नहीं, लेकिन तुम्हारी सोल के लिए भी, क्योंकि ये चीज तुम लेके जाओगे. एक दिन एक बार गुस्सा हुआ वही लेके जाओगे. एवरी टाइम यू बिकम एंग्री ऑन एनी सर्कमस्टांस, you wound your own soul, because your soul is a being of love. It has come to you as a body because it doesn't have a physical form, a solid form. It's a spark, and it is pure love. But with your physical activities, your mind, your conscious, and the world, which you actually manifested to come here, you rip off your soul. You hurt your soul every single day. You know why we talk about that? Everything starts from within, and every behavior, every good thing is a bandage to our soul. Every negative emotion is a wound to our soul, which no one gives but we. That is the reason we always say that heal yourself. If you're going through any difficult situation, accept it and heal it. Don't keep that wound like that. अगर आपके हाथ में कोई ऐसे wound हो गया, आप कुछ काट रहे थे, आपके हाथ में चाकू से कट गया, आप उसको लेके घूमोगे? नहीं घूमोगे, राइट? उसमें मलहम लगाओगे, बैंडेड करोगे. तो अपनी internal wounds को ऐसे आप क्यों? Why are you keeping it wide open? Because when you keep it wide open, it will become more wider. Your every negative emotion is a wound that you are carrying in your own soul already. Because if you have been a very healed soul, then everything in life would look so amazing. Even the most disgusting thing would look like there is a reason for it, How the most spiritually evolved people see the world. They see it that everything is good. There is God in everybody. There is spark in everybody. There is everything good and everything happens for a reason. Why this kind of behavior? Why this kind of thought process comes in spiritually evolved people? Why? Because they see good in everything. Because when they behave in a certain way, they are not only doing it to the outside, but to the inside as well. And why you need to take care of your soul? Because whatever you want to achieve in your life, whatever, name, fame, money, relationship, whatever, it can give you everything. This is the God spark in us. This is the light of the source that we carry, and it can give you so much. You see so many people successful. Who do it? Your soul. It has infinite powers. But how it can operate when you have kept it in the low vibration, when you torture it every day with your anger? Why you just can't keep quiet when you feel like angry? Why you can't just stop criticizing people? Why? Because you don't have the conscious and acceptance that if I criticize, I'll criticize. I'm criticizing somebody else. No, darling. You're not criticizing somebody else. Because that criticism might affect or not affect that person anyway, but it is 100% gonna affect your own soul programming. You actually program your soul every time you behave in a certain way. So, in 24 hours, we only sleep for 7 to 8 hours. Now people sleep much less. Rest of the time, until we are awake, we are constantly, this anxiety, this depression, this blah, 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 blah. When you know you have anxiety, people talk about anxiety a lot. They're like, I have anxiety. I don't know how to come out of it. When you know, accept that, yes, I have some wound. That's why I have anxiety. But I want to heal myself, no matter what. And the healing starts when you start realizing that you need to love your soul before you love anything else in the world. Job, money, finance, people, family. Before loving anybody, you need to love yourself, and loving yourself begins with loving your soul first. And loving your soul first means you stop brutally treating it every single day with your negative and wrong and low vibration responses and emotions. Every time a low vibration comes because of a situation from the outside, hold back, pause, remind yourself, this is the time has come when I might wound my soul. I will not. This is your conscious action. This is how you become conscious. A challenge is coming from the other side. Someone is shouting at the top of their voice to you. Someone is telling you irrational things. You pull yourself back. Why you know? Clever बनो. वो जो कर रहा है वो अपने साथ भी कर रहा है, अपने सोल के साथ कर रहा है. तुम्हारे पास तो वाइब्रेशन दे ही रहा है, लेकिन तुम समझ जाओ, समझदार बन जाओ. अपने आप को होल्ड बैक करो ना. I'm not gonna reply. I'm not gonna react. होगा, पहले पहले नहीं होगा, क्योंकि तुम्हारी ईगो जो एक है ना, हमारी ईगो बॉडी, हमारी सटल बॉडी में जो एक बॉडी है ईगो बॉडी, वो आ जाएगा. वो बोलेगा रिप्लाई करो, बोलो उसको, छोड़ो मत, एकदम रिप्लाई कर दो, कुछ भी बोल दो. लेकिन बेटा ईगो के सुनोगे तो फिर तो हो गया तुम्हारा, खत्म. तो yes, this is the way you actually hurt your soul. Consciously make yourself aware every time you are facing a challenge in your life. Every single day we face some challenge, right? सुबह उठ के मम्मी चिल्ला रही है, ऑफिस जाके बॉस कुछ बोल रहा है, शाम को घर आके हस्बैंड कुछ बोल रहा है, या फिर बॉयफ्रेंड गर्लफ्रेंड कुछ बोल रहा है. These are all everyday challenges. और इससे हम एक एक करके रिस्पॉन्स दे देते हैं, और हर एक रिस्पॉन्स हमारे लिए, हमारे सोल के लिए वोन्स हो जाता है. हाँ जी. यही है पर्पस मेरी इस चैनल में वीडियो बनाने की, कि आप लोगों को थोड़ा अवेयर किया जाए। मैं कुछ ऐसे ही बहुत ज़्यादा ऐसे स्पिरिचुअल बातें नहीं करती हूँ कि आप सोचेंगे कि ये हमारे लिए तो पॉसिबल ही नहीं है, क्योंकि वी सी अ लॉट ऑफ हाईली इवॉल्व पीपल, गुरुज, एवरीबडी हु आर एक्चुअली वेरी हाईली स्पिरिचुअल एंड spiritually uplifted. But you know, when we see our day-to-day life and we feel like, how can we do this, right? Whatever he or she is teaching, how can we do it? Because we face so many challenges because of our old karma, old patterns. तो मैं ना आप लोगों को इसीलिए बहुत सिंपल से आप लोगों को समझाती हूँ कि मोमेंट, उस मोमेंट पे कॉन्शियस को लाओ। हाँ, पहले बैठ के जर्नलिंग करना, माइंडसेट रिचार्ज करना, माइंडसेट ठीक करना, ये सारे चीज कर सकते हो, लेकिन द बेस्ट टीचर that can teach you is the immediate situations that comes in front of you. एक रेस्टोरेंट पे गए हो, बहुत खाना आने में देर हो रहा है या फिर ऑर्डर नहीं ले रहा है, that is your time when you actually show patience, not just patience, show keeping calm, being kind. If after 10-20 minutes somebody comes, just be kind to that person, because तुम conscious choice ले रहे हो कि नहीं, मैं सही तरीके से बिहेव करूंगा या फिर करूंगी। वीडियो में मुझे बताना कैसा लगा वीडियो, ट्राई करना, प्लीज ट्राई करो। मेरी यही है टू गाइड ऑल द सोल्स हु वॉचेस मी, who will watch these videos in future, in coming years, because these are evergreen videos. This video will stay in YouTube forever. And I hope whoever, at what point of time, अगर आप ये 2024 को बैठ के देख रहे हो ये वीडियो, अगर आप ये वीडियो 2030 को बैठ के देख रहे हो या फिर 26-25 को बैठ के देख रहे हो और 2 लोग भी देख रहे हैं ना, I want this message to go to them. फटाक से अवेयरनेस लेके आओ जब भी अनकंफर्टेबल सिचुएशन सामने आ रहा है। ठीक है, मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में। Take care of yourself and thank you so much for watching. Subscribe my channel if you haven't yet and see you. Bye-bye.